BMW 3 Series, since 1975 to present day, it is 7th generation has come now. First generation came as E21, then E36, E46, then E90. After that, F Series came. So the vehicle you can see now, it's F30 series. Then G20 came in 2019. Today I am going to talk about this F30 car. This is the 6th generation of C series BMW car. This car was able to symbolize the BMW's characters to make sportier car. This has a normal standard vehicle as a 320 series or 3 series. After that, there is another series called M series. M3 series also available as a sportier design. This series is the first time BMW to use turbocharged engine for petrol, diesel, and also there is a hybrid version and also a plug-in hybrid version. Further to that, first time BMW came with a 3-cylinder engine for the 3 series. Then 3 series has 3-cylinder, 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engine ranging from 1.5 litre to 3 litre. The 6th generation of 3 series, that is F30, has overall sale of over 2.6 million, and this is known as the best selling car of the BMW cars in this segment. So it is very popular vehicle, and you can see there is a very beautiful, elegant look, and also the sportier design is marvelous. It is so beautiful vehicle, and the road presence is exactly what a person needs when he buys the vehicle. As this vehicle, this F30 came as a range of engine variations, diesel and petrol. Power also change accordingly. That means normally 116 horsepower to 313 horsepower power can be taken from this huge vehicle. You can see as a sports sedan vehicle, it has all what that a car needs. Let's talk about the front view of the BMW 3 Series F30. You can see bonnet side is longer than normal due to the longitudinal placement of the engine. This has happened. Also, you can see that coupe design can be seen, even though this has a 4 doors. It is very beautiful, dynamic. You can see the striking lines of the headlights. Normally from F21, that means first generation up to now, BMW used this dual design headlight. This has been replaced with a aftermarket LED headlight. Normally it comes as a xenon light, and also you can customize. You can see this has a BMW M Sport bumper exterior design. This is not the stock version, so if the owner wants, he can change accordingly to make the appearance better than normal stock bore-in version. So you can see the iconic kidney grille of the BMW 3 Series. This is very beautiful, elegant looking, and also you can see speciality of this headlight. The upper part is like an eyebrow, and it continues from the left side to the frame of the kidney grille. It is very beautiful. Actually, I really like this feature due to this design and connection between the BMW grille and the light make it more appearance on the road. So when people looking at the BMW, they directly see the front lights and grille. BMW 3 Series F30 came as several body type. That means a saloon version called F30, then F31 as a wagon, and F34 as a fastback. And also there is no convertible or coupe design for 3 version. That means 3 series. So for that, the convertible and coupe design is spun off the lineup and became as 4 series. BMW 4 series is started from 2012, and it goes to up to now as a 2nd generation. If you can see my channel, you can see BMW i4 review also there. As the F30 came as several categories, that means 316D, 320, 328, 330, 335. There are so many variations. So today I am having 320D, 2 litre 4-cylinder inline engine with twin power turbo is enabled in this vehicle. According to the F30 series, you can have several powerhouses. That means 1.5 litre to 3 litre engine available with the power from 116 horsepower to 313 horsepower. In this specific vehicle, the engine code is N47. After 2015, it came as B47. The 6-cylinder engine code is normally N57. It doesn't change over the years. This engine code N47 has normally 180 horsepower, around 4000 RPM maximum. Then the torque is around whopping 380 Newton meter. It is a huge value. 320D car can reach to 100 km per hour or 0 to 60 within 8 seconds. That means 7.9 seconds this can go to 100 km/h, and also the M version of the same car can reach the 100 figure within 4 seconds. Exactly, it is 3.9 seconds this can reach to 100. In M version, it is called S56 engine code, having 430 horsepower and 550 Newton meter huge torque with all-wheel drive. This vehicle, this is specific 320D comes as rear wheel drive. Normally it is rear wheel, and also we can have X-drive all wheel drive as well. So rear wheel drive, it has very good stability, and also a sportier run can be seen with elegant sportier vehicle. This engine equipped with the turbo technology, twin power technology available, one turbo with variable geometric turbo. This will significantly reduce the turbo lag, and also in the M version, M3 version, you can find twin turbo. There you have two turbo. In this one, it is one single turbo. Let's talk about the side view of the 520D or F30. You can see a longer front side and also longer roof line and shorter deck side. With this design, BMW makes the car more elegant. You can see the length of the vehicle is 4.6 meter, the wheelbase is 2.8 meter, then the height of the vehicle is 1.4, it is lower value, and also the width of the vehicle is 1.8 meter. This vehicle is more stable in high speed due to this longer wheelbase and the longer track width, and also the shorter height makes this vehicle more reliable and more speedier in high speed. So that is why BMW can reach this vehicle from 0 to 100 within 3.9 seconds, and also the high speed cornering possible with these specs and this dynamics of the vehicle. And also you can see in the side view there is a contour line from the tailgate of the car. You can see in this direction it goes from the quarter panel to the door and front door and to the front fender, and continues like this. From this design you can see in the longer side it makes more elegant, more dynamic, and this design makes this car more sportier. The dragging coefficient of this diesel version is 0.29. It is a good value. The fuel economy is around 20 km per liter. In longer distance in city you can have around 12 km per liter. And let's talk about the wheels. The stock wheels of the BMW 3 Series is 16, but you can go up to 19 inch. In the M version you can have 19 inch with lower profile tires with suspension MacPherson strut available, and also this suspension can be adapted, and in the rear also you can have disc brakes. So 4 disc brakes available in this vehicle to stop the vehicle when, as this vehicle can goes up to 235 kilometers in top speed. Vehicle should be able to stop when needs, so it needs better brake system. So this is given with good 4 disc brakes. Let's talk about the rear view of the vehicle for 320D. You can see this all are aftermarket part, so I am not going to discuss about this. This tail light also aftermarket, and it is very beautiful LED, and you can see red type patterns is going. It is very beautiful. The BMW 320 series has many options available as options. Both can be opened from the hand-free gesture, and also the parking assist systems available, and the rear has been designed to match the front side. You can see it is very beautiful, very good for a family ride. From this switch in the front sides, otherwise we can use the smart access with a key like that. We can open, you can see inside the boot space. As you can see, top mounted brake light has been fixed in the rear windshield. Now you can see the second row of the BMW 320D. Let's open the door. It is shorter door, you can see like this. Now I show you the inside of the cabin second row. You may think the 3 Series has a shorter distance, but after I go inside and show you how it looks and how it feels. If I sit like this, I am normally 6 feet in height. You can see we have very good head clearance and also leg clearance. There is no issue with the space for the passengers. For 4 adult can go in this vehicle or travel in this vehicle comfortably. Let's go to the other side. You can see here also there is huge space, that means very comfortable space available. There is a armrest here with a pop-up cup holders like this. When 2 people are going, we can use this as comfortably like this, or we can fix it to the seat. And there are 3 headrests available, and also you can see the hump, the middle hump bit higher than normal passenger cars due to the tall transmission, and it is 80-speed transmission and rear wheel drive network. We have to have this kind of higher hump, so it is very good for 4 people and 2 people in the rear and 2 in the front. For the middle person, it won't be that much comfortable like this, but still one can go for a short trip, it's okay, but for a longer trip it is not recommended for third person. If the person is a kid, it could be okay, but for adult it is not recommended, or it is not good for third person here. The best part is the driver seat. Let's go and get into the car in driver seat. This driver seat is adjustable in many ways. You can adjust the slide control, then the height control and the recline control here, and also you can have electrical control as well in this vehicle. Manual controls available. Steering wheel is like this. You can adjust the wheel like this. It is telescopic adjustment, and also tilt adjustment can be taken as you needed. And also you can see light control is here, and the multifunctional steering wheel here. I put it just below like this. The dashboard is like this. It is very dominated in quality materials. You can see the center console. It is 8-degree focused, oriented towards the driver. You can see normal AC system with touch AC and some control here. You can see iDrive system here. You can see the instrumentation cluster. There is a tachometer, speedometer, and gauges for temperature and fuel can be seen, and there is a digital display. This also change according to the grades. There is a adaptive cruise control available in some model. In normal model, normal cruise control available, and also you can have many options such as adaptive lights and ambient lights, etc. So according to the options they may vary. The touch of the dashboard is very soft, so soft touch material use. So the active safety and the passive safety is very good in this vehicle. This has 5-star safety as well. This is the key of the 320D F30. You can stop here. Now it has been started. I switch off first and start again. After switch off, meter panel is like this. Let's start again by pressing this with the key inside. Now it is in idle. You can see speedometer, tachometer, and gauges for fuel and heats, and some information in digital display. In the right side you can see the fog lights for rear and front, and headlight control and headlight tilt control. In this model you can have adaptive headlight. You can control the beam of the light, and also the auto high beam available. When there is no vehicle in front, you can switch on the headlight automatically. It is called auto high beam. It also can be available as an option. This is how you see the steering wheel of the car. This is normal stock one. In M version you can have a kind of sportier one with the M logo. The infotainment system, this can be controlled from this iDrive buttons, and also you can see the stick for 80-speed transmission, reverse neutral drive, and also you can have shift gear. That means you can manually shift the gears by putting to the left side. Here you can control the drive mode, sport or comfort mode, or eco pro mode. This is for traction control on off. This is the AC system. It is very basic round dial. You can set the temperature here and put it to the auto. AC will look after you with the temperature. For this it is 22. There is a AC loader here, and also FM player, and you can see the center lock button here, center door locks, and hazard lights, and also some AC vents here. For the glove box, it is normal size glove box like this. Let's close it. From the upper part to the lower part in the center console, you can see there is a space here, storage available. In modern car, you can get wireless charger in here, 12 volt out, and cup holders. And then your handbrake here, eye control, and you can have center console box with some space and auxiliary in available. The door is like this for passengers. Door is like this for the driver side, and you can see very thin A pillar to reduce the blind spot, and the rear view mirror like this, and some sun visors with mirror available for passenger and driver in this side, and cabin lights, and with airbags. There are so many airbags, and also this headrest can be adjustable. By pressing the button the other side, you can adjust it. I will show it here. You can press this button and adjust according to your head, something like this. It's a safety feature. From the front side, rear side can be seen like this. This is this huge hump. And if you want, you can have branded sound system installed as option. Traditional locks available for doors like this. If you are watching this video as a first time viewer, I am MRJ. I have bigger video channel, YouTube channel in my native language. It is Sinhala. I have 307,000 subscribers channel, but I thought to have some videos in English language. I am not a native speaker, so I might have done some mistake. I might have doing some mistake. If I do, let me focus on it. Please give me your comment where I did that mistake, so I try to rectify it. And also please interact with the video by giving like, comment, and also your valuable subscribe if it is good. අපි BMW F30 එකේ ටිකක් දුර ගිහලා බලමු. ඒක 380 නිව්ටන් මීටර් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒක දැනෙන්න ඇති මේ රේස් කරද්දිම. හොඳ පිකප් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඩීසල් හින්දා විශේෂයෙන්ම හොඳ ටෝක් එකක් අවైలබල් තියෙනවා. අපි අද මේක අපි ගොඩක් යට ඉන්නවා වගේ, කියන්නේ යට ඉන්න ස්ටෑන්ස් එකක් දැනෙනවා මේකේ. ගොඩක් යට ඉඳලා ඉන්නවා වගේ. අහනේ මෙහෙම ස්ටේ කරද්දි ඒක හොඳට දැනෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ රෝදේ යන දිහා අපිට රෙස්පොන්ස් එක හොඳට දැනෙනවා. ඒ වගේම ඇක්සලරේෂන් එක හොඳටම හොඳයි මේ බලන්න මේ. හොඳටම රේස් කරලා යන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා. මේ හොඳ ස්පෝර්ටි රයිඩ් එකක් යන්න නියමයි. මේ දැන් මේකේ ඩ්‍රයිව් මෝඩ් තියෙනවා ඇත්තටම. මෝඩ් මාරු කරගන්න පුළුවන් ලක්ෂරි මෝඩ් එකකට, ද එකෝ ප්‍රෝ මෝඩ් එකට, එහෙම නැත්නම් ස්පෝර්ට් මෝඩ්, කම්ෆර්ට් මෝඩ් කියලා මෝඩ් තුනක් තියෙනවා. දැන් තියෙන කම්ෆර්ට් එකේ. කියන්නේ ඒ වෙනකොට මේ කිසිම ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. මේ පේනවා ඇති මේ. හොඳට ඇක්සලරේෂන් කරලා යන්න පුළුවන්. හොඳට ෆීල් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඩ්‍රයිවිං එක. දැන් අපි දාමුකෝ ස්පෝර්ට් මෝඩ් එකට. දැන් ස්පෝර්ට් එකේ තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ඉතින් ස්ටිෆ් තියෙන්නේ. මේකේ මේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දිග වාහනයක් හින්දා මේ ටර්නින් රේඩියස් එක වැඩි ටිකක්. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මට හිතෙන්නේ 11මාරක් 12ක් වගේ ඇති. හොඳ බ්‍රේක් රෙස්පොන්ස් එකක් තියෙනවා. turning radius එක බලන්න පුළුවන් මේ වගේ ගත්තාම. In this video, I think you have gained more experience about the exterior design, interior design, and the powerhouse features and options, as well as the driving pressure. So if you like this video, give me a like. So take care. Goodbye.